Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the miracle that is Castile liquid soap. So Castile soap can be used for just about everything. It is multi-purpose, so you can use this for dish soap, you can use it for laundry liquid, you can use it to wash your hair, your skin, to spray plants to ensure that they don't get any green flies, like washing your dog, all of that. So I'm going to show you a few things so you know how to use this. So the soap is made from vegetable oils, so it's completely vegan, and you just need to dilute it for most things that you are doing. So let's give that a go. So the first thing that I'm making with Castile soap is I'm going to make a dish soap. So this is water. This is 450 millilitres, and then I only need 50 millilitres of my Castile soap, and that's going to make my dish soap. So I'm just going to pour it in. So I'm just going to show you how effective it is at cleaning. So I'm going to take my dish soap that I've just made and pour it on my washing up and then wash up. Next up, laundry detergent, and this one is so easy, you don't even need to do anything. Just pour 100 ml of your Castile soap directly into the laundry detergent section of your washing machine, and it will do the rest. The same liquid that you have made for your washing up liquid can be used for cleaning. So this is 1 part Castile soap to 9 parts water. And all that you do is use your cleaning cloth, whatever you've got, put on a bit of the soap and clean away. To make toilet cleaner, you mix, it's 3 parts water to 1 part Castile soap. So I've got in 150 ml and I'm just going to add in 50 ml of the Castile soap. And this can be used to clean your loo. That same liquid is great for getting rid of any tough marks or things that need to be cleaned, so great for scrubbing away, and all that you have to do with that is add a little bit of baking soda. Another cleaning solution, you can use about 50 ml of this and add that to a few gallons of water when you are mopping the floor, and you will get a lovely citrusy smelling clean floor. Another of my favourite uses is actually cleaning your face. So all that you do is take a tiny bit of the soap on your hand, pour it onto your face and wash it. It's really good for getting rid of acne and clearing your face of any bacteria. As well as using this to clean your face, you can, or any of your skin actually, you can also use it to wash your hair. So to do that, you mix 1 tablespoon of the Castile soap with 100 millilitres of water, and do that before you get in the shower, have it ready, and then you can lather it into your hair. When making a spray for your plants to make sure it gets rid of all of those bugs, then you need the smallest amount of Castile soap. So it is literally 1 tablespoon of Castile soap with 2 pints of water, and that will make your spray to keep all of the little insects away from your plants and keep them healthy. The last use that I'm going to talk about today is for your sinuses. So to clear your sinuses, you mix a tablespoon of the Castile soap in a boiling hot water bowl, put a towel over your head, and that will really help to clear your sinuses, which is insane. Like, you would normally use olive oil or anything like that, but this little staple that does everything else can also help to clear your sinuses. So that's it, a little run through of different stuff that you can do with a Castile soap. Absolutely amazing, multi-purpose, you only need 1 thing in your household. If you like this video, have a look also at my Marseille soap video, which shows another product that has just as many uses.